Hi, to insert SIM card in your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, we need to find this SIM tray. So it is located right here on the bottom of the phone, and you can see this little hole in it. So we just need to take this little ejector, which goes in a compact with a device, or you can use any other ones you have, or even a needle, but be careful so you won't damage the slot. Now just simply insert the ejector into the hole till this tray will be slightly opened. And now simply pull it out using your nails, like that. So right here we can see this place for the first SIM card, and we can flip it and check the place for the second SIM card. So the phone supports dual SIM cards, but I have only one with me, so let's insert only one. For that, we just need to put it in the right position, like that, so it will click a bit and won't fall out. And now you just need to simply insert this tray back in the phone, so everything will be closed, just like this. And now let's unlock the phone and check the signal bars. So just take a look at this upper panel. In the upper right corner you should see the signals bars, which indicates that the SIM card is activated. Also, you can go in the settings. Here select mobile network and make sure that you can see the first SIM card, and you can tap it and here check information about your SIM card. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.